What's up, everybody? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome to another video. So one of the things that I've been thinking about is how do I make the interior cleaner? You spend a lot of time in the inside of the car driving. You know, you get the outside as pretty as you want, but you're not really looking at it as you're driving. What's important to me is how the interior looks. So on one of my last videos, I changed the trim, or I removed the vinyl that was on there, and I basically made it OEM again, which I do like, but I still want the piano black, so I'm still on the lookout. However, one of the things that really bothers me is the center console here, or the climate control panels, the radio panels, the parking, or not the parking, the shift panel here. That's all scratched up. So I went online, I went on ECS Tuning, I went on FCP Euro, even eBay, just to source some parts. I finally got everything. So for this video, that's what we're going to do. We're going to change the climate control panel, the radio panel, and the shift panel. So let's get to it. I'm thinking of making this an interior day. After we finish this, or a couple other pieces in this car, I'm going to move to the S2000 and set up the GoPro mount on the center dash. So the first things first is I'm going to remove the top trim. Once I remove the top trim, then I'll go down in layers, and then installing, I'll go up. So let's do this. Okay, so the first part that I'm going to replace, I'm going to start from the bottom up. So this is going to be the radio trim. I got this off by ECS Tuning, brand new. It was 38 bucks with shipping. I was going to pick it up on eBay, but I didn't trust the pictures. This is no scratches. From what I noticed on the part that was on there before, anytime I would wipe it with something, it would kind of scratch it, or even take off a little bit of paint, smudge it. So I didn't trust any used part. So this is it. Should clip right in. Okay, this is for the nav radio. Just gonna align all the clips. That's it. All right, so this is the second part. This is the climate control panel. Now, I bought this on eBay only because I couldn't find it anywhere. I was looking for the one without the heated seat. The buttons would be right here. So this is a used part. I did the best I could to get one without scratches. Now this is the one I had. Look at the difference. There's scratches around the button, all over the panel. So this should be good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick wipe with the Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer. Has a scent, I want to say it's citrus. Smells really good. Climate control panel installed, the radio panel installed. I saved the shift panel for last only because I didn't want anything resting on it to scratch the new one. So we're going to take this out. All you got to do is put that in neutral just to give me some space. I'm going to pull this straight up like that. Let me know if anyone out there's replaced this with anything. I know that they have an M Sport version. I can't tell the difference between this one and the M Sport. Unless this is the M Sport. No clue. But let me know if anyone's replaced it with anything, you know, that looks good. So this I bought from Beamer World. Now look at the amount of stickers. I mean, this is pretty awesome. And look what else they gave me. That's freaking cool. You know, I opened the box and I saw this. That's awesome. Hopefully they're not the sugar-free ones. Those, if you ever read the reviews of these, is it these?
It's the sugar.
The sugar-free versions of these. Go check out Amazon. Check out the reviews. Hilarious. Anyway, so I got this from Beamer World only because I couldn't find it anywhere. This was the most expensive part out of the three. This was $77. Another part that I did not trust eBay, but this is brand new, no scratches. I mean, look at the difference. So it looks like I just have to swap this out. Oh, I should have ordered that because this is a little dirty. But I'll swap this to there. Comes with everything you need. It's an OEM part. So let's swap it. They have almost like a DCT shift knob for this car, which looks good, but it has the parking, like it has the indicators, not like parking, drive, and reverse, but I have it here. Like, it seems kind of stupid to have it on both, the shift knob and here. If they were to make that and sell one of these that blocks this out, then I'd get it. There you have it. Shift plate is on, looking fresh, tight fit. You know what? I don't mind this. There's a little smudge here, but the thing with this knob, it's fat. I don't like it, but looking fresh. The panel around the radio, looking good. Climate control panel, no scratches. The actual the buttons are all legit. Everything looks good. Looks OEM. Looks brand new. So now we just got to make sure that this actually turns on. I probably should have done that before. There we go. Oh! It's synced. Oh, did I hit that button before? I like it. Check this out. Okay. I didn't know this. I was just talking to my wife, Roz, right? We were talking in your X5 about the climate control. Something that drives me insane is the dual climate control, where if I put it on 70, your side could be on 75, which drives me nuts. I don't see how that would work, but I want it to be the same on both. It's an OCD of mine. I didn't realize that by hitting this button here, right? See how I can put it on 77? Call me dumb, but see how it's different. By hitting the all, this is like the sync button on Acuras. Boom. So, honestly, I feel really stupid. I didn't think, wait, let me look at the other one. Do I have that? Son of a bitch, I do have it. Does your X5 have that?
No.
We're gonna have to check. Yours is newer than this car. So, I didn't know that. Surprised. But anyways, I'm happy it works. Looking fresh. But everything looks good. I think what will set this car off, the interior off, is if I replace this to the wooden trim to piano black. Or the Alcantara. Kind of digging piano black. Or maybe this in Alcantara and then this middle in piano black if they have it.
The opposite, maybe.
Yeah, opposite?
Mm-hmm.
Alcantara, piano black?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I dig it. That does it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of stuff coming to this for this car and the S2000 and the X5. So we booked a trip to Florida and we're actually going to drive down. So we're in the Northeast, so it's going to be a long drive with the family. So I figured I create a playlist on prepping the truck for a road trip. So that'll include everything from plugs to accessories. So check that out. The S2000 has some things. I have a lot of parts sitting on the counter. I'm hoping to take it to the track this year, hopefully if I have time. But I'm gonna hook up with my buddy Renee, see if he's available. Maybe we could do something together again. Go for a drive, maybe some POVs. We'll see what happens. But stay tuned. Catch you on the next one.
I don't think you should add this to your video because that sounds really dumb.
No, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I think you're gonna get a lot of hate comments.
If I get comments, it's even better.
I guess.
This stuff smells really good, right? Right?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do that again.
I'm sorry.
Ready? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.